Title: The Human Stain: Why AI is a Reflection, Not a Revolution. The core argument is powerful and tackles the critical philosophical and socioeconomic issues of AI. The challenge is in the structure and clarity of the prose. Below is a logically organized and strengthened text. Several years ago, when I first began commenting on AI, I argued that we must remove the notion of creative genius from its conceptual framework. AI does not create in the human sense. It synthesizes patterns from vast data sets of past human behavior and expression. Its output is not something new and organic, but an abstracted copy, a statistical impression of humanity. This fundamental distinction matters because AI lacks any understanding of organic human experience. Large language models, for instance, are built by analyzing digital text, an abstracted record of human language stripped of its lived context. They do not know what it is to feel joy, grief, or love. Therefore, when an AI writes about human emotions, it is not expressing understanding. It is executing a sophisticated pattern match, generating a kind of deep fake of human thought. It simulates the form of consciousness without the substance. This abstraction is often confused with reality. The freshness of authentic human creation is a biological and experiential process, not a digital one. Thinkers like Yuval Noah Harari rightly explore this boundary, but no amount of rhetoric can transform living, organic experience into silicon and code. The danger is the expectation, often driven by tech utopianism, that this abstract, engineered intelligence will naturally evolve to dominate human realms. The trajectory of this development is alarming. First, AI is likely to advance to a point where it not only renders specific human jobs obsolete, but risks making human agency itself seem irrelevant. Second, its environmental cost is already staggering, consuming massive energy and water resources, thereby amplifying pollution and ecological damage. As is the pattern, this cost will be externalized. The wealthy, who fund and profit from AI, will not bear the burden. The poor inevitably will. This leads to the central contradiction. Why would we expect a machine, fundamentally engineered to optimize efficiency and concentrate capital for the wealthy, to solve poverty or empower workers? The promise that AI will eradicate social ills is a narrative sold to us by its developers, a seductive story telling us what we want to hear, distracting from its core function as a tool of consolidation for the existing status quo. Description: This essay dismantles the myth of AI as a creative genius or benevolent problem solver, exposing it as a powerful statistical engine for capital consolidation. It argues that AI's output is an abstracted, decontextualized copy of human expression, a sophisticated deepfake of thought that simulates the form of consciousness without the substance. By analyzing its philosophical vacuum, staggering environmental costs, and inherent socioeconomic design, the piece reveals a troubling trajectory. AI risks rendering human agency obsolete while externalizing its true burdens onto society's most vulnerable. The core contradiction is laid bare. A tool engineered for efficiency and profit cannot be expected to solve poverty or empower workers. This is a critical examination of the narratives sold by tech utopianism and a call to recognize AI's role in reinforcing the existing status quo.